Okay.
I know my real name. I can give you Mark Simpson, Lisa Simpson. I know all my motherfucking names.
Seriously, I prove you wrong. Okay, thanks.
We would have to go all the way out to my car out front with my fingerprints.
Amerika'da hırsızların yakalanma anları.
Stop. What are you doing with all your stuff in the bag?
Birinci olayımızda polis ekipleri bir mağazadan hırsızlık yapıldığına dair ihbar üzerine güvenlik kameralarını inceledi ve sonrasında yeterli kanıta ulaşınca hırsızı suçüstü yakalamak için harekete geçti.
All the stuff you're concealing in bags.
I came with bags in here.
That's not what the LP is saying.
I don't know. I haven't had any problems the whole time I've been here. I'm just riding around looking around.
Okay, well they're saying that you're putting merchandise and stuff in your bag. Are you planning on paying for any of that?
Of course.
Do you have money on you?
Of course, I have cash on me. This some lady was following me around when I got here.
Okay, so is this all merchandise from the store then?
No, this is much shit that I came with. I'm not no broke bitch. I got plenty of shit. I got shit in this store and everything.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't have anything.
Why not?
I mean, what's the problem?
They're claiming right now the shoes that you have on your feet, you've got stored.
I did do that. I always do that. I always put something on my feet. I got shoes.
Okay.
There was a lady this lady right here in jeans. There was a couple of them. I don't know.
Okay, well that's loss prevention, and they've been watching you put stuff in bags.
I haven't put anything in my bag. I put these shoes on. That's about it. Is it a problem? Did I do anything to you? You know me?
I don't know you yet.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. I don't have anything. I mean, I don't have my information on me, but everybody knows who I am. I mean,
I don't know who you are.
I don't know what the stalking is about. I don't know what the problem is about. I'm not no disrespectful person. Yes, I do change my motherfucking shoes.
Now they're saying you also
saying,
put merchandise underneath your shirt. Do you have anything on you?
I don't have nothing on me. I don't have nothing on me. I mean, the camera is a rolling thing. I'm not no bum.
Hırsız sürekli bir şeyler saçmalayıp konudan sapmaya çalışıyordu. Ancak polis ekipleri doğrudan konuya odaklandı.
Okay, so what's your information? I need your social.
My name is Stephanie Smith. I don't know my social. I don't go by my social.
All right, so you have a pair of shoes you can put on?
Yeah, I got the shoes I can put on. She can get these and shove them up her ass. Put them on.
Just to clarify again, you don't have anything on your person from the store?
No.
Because they're going to go back and watch footage, and if they don't have it in those bags...
Shit of her. That she came past and said, little ugly bitch. That's what I heard that woman say.
I'm just letting you know, if you have any merchandise on you and you leave the store, you'll have a warrant put out for your arrest.
Hırsız direnmeye devam edince polis ekipleri hırsızın çantasını aramaya karar verdi.
My name, I can give you 20 names. All of them is mine.
Well, I want the one that's your legal government name.
All of them are my legal government names.
Okay, well I need a real name.
I can give you any name. Michelle. Michelle is my real name. Michelle Austin. Lisa Simpson. That's mine. That's mine. You can look on camera. That's mine. I didn't put that in my bag. That's mine. That's mine. Look on camera. I already gave you what I gave you.
Hırsız yanlışlıkla suçunu itiraf etmişti. Bunun üzerine son çaldığı tişörtü de çıkarıp duygu sömürüsü yapmaya başladı.
Get the shirt and get my bow. Can you get my shirt and get my bow? Can you get that bow for me?
Your real name?
I just told you.
Ma'am, we're really not trying to give you a hard time.
I know my real motherfucking name. I'm on TV. I don't have no reason to lie.
Okay.
I know my real name.
Whatever legal
I can
documentation
give you
that
Mark
have.
Simpson, Lisa Simpson. I know all my motherfucking names.
Hırsızın ciddi derecede psikolojik sorunları vardı. Kendini çizgi film karakterlerinin adlarını vermişti. Polis ekipleri hırsız ile konuşurken bir yandan tüm çalınan eşyaları topluyordu. Her şey tamamlandıktan sonra lafı uzatmadan hırsızı gözaltına aldılar.
Can I put my shoes on, please?
I've given you enough
I had
chance.
shoes, or I gave you her shoes.
I've given you enough
I
time.
didn't do nothing, though.
Yes, you did.
I just want to put my shoes on. Why am I going to jail? I gave you that shit back.
Get in the car.
Tam bu sırada lütfen biraz sesi kısın. Çünkü hırsız çok fazla bağırıyor. Ayrıca yeni bir kanal olduğumuz için desteğiniz çok önemli. Abone olursanız çok büyük destek olur. İyi seyirler.
Go in the car.
I did, though. Can you get my bags?
Sit down.
Why can't I have my bags?
We'll get your stuff. Sit down.
Olayın ardından karakolda yapılan işlemlerden sonra mahkeme karşısına çıkan hırsız tutuklanarak cezaevine gönderildi. İkinci olayımızda ise mağazanın müdüründen 3 kişinin planlı olarak hırsızlık yaptığını ve birinin hala mağazada olduğunu belirtti. Fakat hırsızlar polislerin de planlı ilerlediğini bilmiyorlardı.
Come over here. This is a stolen car. Keep your hands out of your pockets. Have a seat on the sidewalk here. Have a seat on the curb. You're not free to leave. Is anybody else in the car? Don't reach for anything in your bag, okay? Are you pregnant?
No.
Okay. Hey, you're not free to go. Sit down on the curb. Sit down on the curb.
Do not reach in your pockets and do not run. You understand? You're not free to go. You're being investigated for vehicle trespass right now.
So make sure, because you're probably going to end up in handcuffs here in a minute.
Why?
2-6, I have another compliant outside of the vehicle with me. Where's your buddy at? I know there's one more inside the store. He's got a cart full of all this shit. I saw you walking past me. Is he your boyfriend? Is he just a friend? Is he...
Both?
You're going to be detained in handcuffs. Thank you for being cool.
Polis ekipleri stratejik ve gayet dikkatli bir şekilde iki farklı hırsızı da yakaladı. Ama asıl olay şimdi başlıyor.
Driving here?
I pick up that.
Because that car's stolen. So,
Stolen?
Yeah.
Okay, I pick up that.
You see like possibly Hispanic male, black jacket with a beard?
Yeah.
And he's in the sporting goods?
Yes.
2-6. LP just advised he's in the sporting goods section. We're walking over now. Black baseball cap, black hoodie, dark colored pants, black Nike shoes, long hair.
Hey man, you're not free to leave. I'm done. You got keys?
You could have done that, man.
Never done that, I know.
You know I was going to catch you.
I know.
So why'd you run
I
from
seen
me?
you cry.
You have any weapons on you, Copeton? You got weapons on you?
I have 1 for 4. We have fire for 2 and 16.
I'm going to turn you to your side, okay?
Yes, sir. You know I'm on no problems.
Are you injured?
Who's your friend? What's their name? We're talking to them inside, so I'm just seeing if you're... I should tell me. What is it?
It's Pat.
Pat? Okay. Does Pat have a job?
I think he goes to work because I don't really see him out there.
So why is he out here stealing stuff from Target then?
I didn't know he was stealing.
So what were you doing? Why were you hanging out in the car?
Just talking.
Typically, right, you know how this works. 1 or 2 stay in the car and watch out while the other one goes inside and they call like, oh, cops are coming.
Polis ekipleri bu konuda deneyimli oldukları için oldukça dikkatli adımlar atarak tüm ekibi gözaltına alabildi.
Fed lines, you know what I mean? So, what?
I was on watch.
Yes. Okay. Okay. But he told you he was gonna go steal. You just told me you were on watch, dude.
Yeah, I know. I was going to know after you show up. That's Mando. You know, it's like a street rule.
Uh-huh.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Oh, you? Probably obstructing. Maybe resisting.
Maybe possessing stolen vehicle. Possessing stolen vehicle?
Yeah, let's go with obstructing.
What?
Hold on, put you in the back here. I'm going to read your rights, okay?
I ain't do nothing wrong, I thought. Yeah, when I realized you guys were there for me, I panicked.
I see what you're saying.
I had no intention of running. How much you kick the roof over there?
Kick what roof? What are you talking about?
County.
I kicked the roof?
Yes. Here you go.
Something right. Young kid that I tried something. Can you swing your feet in?
Yeah.
Let me get you some water. Fire department's here for you, okay? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm spilling on you. Keep going.
Please. What's you doing with my girl's car?
So we're going to discuss that after I read you your rights, okay?
Is that my girl?
Probably.
Olayın ardından mağazada yakalanan adam panik atak geçirerek hastaneye kaldırıldı. Diğer yakalanan hırsızlar ise tutuklanarak cezaevine gönderildi. Bu olayımızda ise polis ekipleri yine bir mağazadan bir kadının hırsızlık yaptığını ve hırsızlık yapmasına rağmen inanılmaz rahat tavırları olayı daha da şüphelendirdi.
Hi guys, how we doing? Hey, need you guys to leave the store without taking anything. Okay? You guys are identified as previous shoplifters. Yeah, store security said they called us here. They said you walked in with another guy.
Polis bir kadının hırsızlık yaptığına dair bir çağrı üzerine olay yerine gelmişti. Fakat olay yerinde farklı bir hırsıza daha rastladı.
Just now, and they literally pointed you out, both of you. Yeah, both of you. You guys are trespassing the store for life, and you need to leave.
You know what gives it away, bro?
What?
Those stolen jeans.
The jeans with the stolen tags on them, and then so you guys need to leave the store, okay? If you don't leave now, you're gonna get arrested for trespass. You guys understand? You can't come back. Cool. They don't want your business. They don't want your money. The store security.
Security.
It's really simple.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. They don't want your business. You got to take
Polis ekipleri hırsız ile konuşurken kadının eldivenleri olduğunu fark etti. Bir şeyler çalarken parmak izi kalmaması için eldiven takıyordu.
those gloves off. You gotta leave. I'm not a weirdo. I'm just doing my job. You gotta leave.
You are a weirdo.
Okay. Well, I'm sure if I took your dirty fingerprints outside and got your fingerprints, you'd have a
Excuse me?
long history of
Excuse me?
your dirty
You want to
hands.
do it? Let's go. Check it out. Check it out. Come on.
Hırsız mağaza içerisinde ona işlem yapamayacağını bildiği için zorla işlemlerini yaptırmaya çalıştı fakat başaramadı. Ayrıca bahsedilen parmak izi ise Amerika'da QSR testi uygulaması vardır. Kişinin parmak izlerinden tüm detaylarına ulaşılabilir. Bu yüzden burada bahsedilen parmak izi kavramı QSR testidir.
No, seriously, I will
Stop, don't grab the
No,
card.
I want
grab the
you.
card, let
I
go.
will grab my purse.
Yes,
You
let go.
are-
You can take the purse. Go ahead, you gotta leave the
I want you to
store.
take my fingerprint. Thank you. Take my fingerprint. Seriously, I prove you wrong. Okay, thanks.
We would have to go all the way out to my car out front
Yeah,
with
you're
fingerprints. Cool?
Yeah.
That's really, really rude.
I don't care. You're really, really rude.
Go
Are you
ahead.
gonna tell me I have a long? Hold on.
Go ahead. It would be a really fun end to my day. I just don't think you should be slinging around terms like that because it's rude.
Why would you take my
You gotta leave the
fingerprint?
store.
Why
I'm
would
gonna
you
arrest you
take
for
my fingerprint?
trespassing.
You said I was gonna have, and you're so
Keep
wrong.
going. Keep going. You gotta clear the store and clear the entire parking lot. Oh boy. That's actually called disorderly conduct. Stop where you are. You're under arrest. Stop. If you start to run, I've already told you you're under arrest. If you start to run, I'm gonna chase you.
I didn't fucking do anything wrong. Are you
Swing at me.
serious?
If you swing at me,
Stop.
No, I didn't do nothing wrong. I swear to God, you guys are. I'm not under arrest.
you're under arrest.
For what? For what?
Relax.
Disorderly
No,
conduct.
no.
Let go of me.
Hey.
No.
Hey, listen.
You
I
let
gave
go.
you
I didn't
plenty
do
of
anything wrong. You guys
opportunities.
are fucking out of pocket right now. I swear to God. For
Let
what?
go.
I didn't fucking do anything wrong.
Stop.
Let go. You're gonna get
Are you
put on the
serious,
ground.
bro? For what? What did I do? Tell me what the fuck I did.
We don't.
Tell me what the fuck I did.
It's called
Tell me what the fuck I
disorderly
did.
conduct
For what?
for throwing their property on the ground.
Are you fucking serious?
Absolutely.
Because you guys are so out of pocket. I'm saying you're trying to pay with my money. I have money, cash money, okay?
Okay. You were
Okay,
told to
no.
leave the store
And I did.
7-8 times.
No, but I literally
Let go
think
of your
you're talking
purse.
about me.
Let go.
Let go of the purse. It's okay.
You're not arresting me.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
Just go ahead.
Stop.
Stop. You guys are
Hey.
you guys are fucking so out of pocket.
I got mine.
For why? Alex!
Burada Alex diye bağırdığı kişiyi mağazadaki kişi sandınız değil mi? Fakat o değil. Hırsız mağazaya girmeden önce eşini arabada bırakarak girmişti. O içerideki kişi ise eşini aldattığı kişiydi. Eşinin bu kadar bağırmaya rağmen gelmemesinin sebebi ise eşi gece çalışıp yorulduğu için uyuyakalmıştı. Neyse videoya devam edelim. Söylenecek çok söz var ama siz beni çok iyi anladınız.
Can you keep an eye out for any other
I
guys
didn't do
approaching us?
anything
You went in the store with 2 guys.
Alex, get a camera because I videotape this shit.
We are videotaping.
Good. No, you're a fucking
Stop.
I'm not even
fighting
doing it.
us.
You guys stop?
Hey, your arm can
You
get
need to
broken. I don't want
relax.
to break your arm.
No, clearly you do.
You're resisting.
Stop.
Roll over onto your stomach.
No. For why?
Did you say, yeah, you know? Okay, now
No,
you're
I'm
under arrest for another charge
No,
for
I'm
resisting
saying-
arrest.
Why are you guys doing this? I didn't do anything wrong.
Do you want to get tased? That's the
Dude,
next
I
step.
didn't do anything
That's the
wrong.
next step.
I swear to God, you guys are fucking.
Stop.
You guys have fucking issues. Look, you're such a fucking.
Hey, let go of my hand.
I'm not touching your fucking.
You did. You just squeezed my hand again.
No, I didn't. Why am I?
Hey, stop.
You guys are so. I don't
Stop.
understand what the fuck is wrong with you guys. What the fuck? I just have it staring out and then fucking put me down. You're
Nobody told you to stand up. We said
You.
stop.
Stop.
you.
Why are you freaking out?
Because I'm being arrested for what?
We told you like 30 times.
I didn't do anything. Can you stop? Get the fuck off of me.
Stop thrashing.
Get the fuck off of my fucking leg, you fucking piece of shit. What the fuck is wrong with you? I fucking hate you.
You're not the first, you're not the last.
You guys please fucking stop.
Okay, so you're under arrest.
For what? Why didn't do anything wrong? Can you tell him to get the fuck off me? Seriously, it's fucking hurting my.
Polis ekipleri büyük bir sabır ile hırsıza karşı saygısını bozmadı. Fakat hırsız ağır küfürlere ve direnmeye devam etti. Bu direnme çok fazla sürmeden hırsız ayağını kırdı.
I just put this coat on. I swear to God, I'm not even kidding. I swear to God, oh my kid's life. Why am I getting arrested right now?
You're under
I don't
arrest.
understand.
You're under
Why?
arrest for
I didn't do
disorderly
anything
conduct.
wrong.
And you're under arrest for resisting arrest.
Because I didn't do anything wrong. I understand there's no reason I should be arrested right now. Literally no fucking reason I should be arrested right now. This is so out of pocket. Seriously.
Polis ekipleri hırsızın üzerinde şüpheli bir pipo buldu. Bu piponun yasa dışı madde kullanımıyla ilişkilendirilebileceği değerlendiriliyor. Bu durum şahsın olay sırasında sağlıklı bir bilinç durumunda olmayabileceğini düşündürdü.
I didn't do anything wrong. on my kid's life. I swear, I'm not even kidding. I don't do blues at all. I swear to God. I know what they are, but I don't do them. I swear on my kid's life.
You know the street name for
Burada çok önemli bir detay var. Burada polis sokak dilini iyi bildiğini söyledi. Bunun sebebi kadının sabıkasında yasaklı madde kullanımı ve hırsızlık bulunduğu içindi.
him.
Yes, I do. I know. Yeah, I know what they are. I live in the fucking ghetto. Hello.
See my hand?
How would you do that?
I have to sweep the underside of your bra. Make sure you don't have anything in there. Okay, widen your stance for me. See my hand? Step in there.
No fucking reason to be arrested right now.
Olayın ardından hırsızın üstünde yasaklı madde bulunması ve polise direnmesinden dolayı mahkeme karşısına çıkarıldı. Ayrıca 4 polisin bir kadını gözaltına almaya çalışması toplumda büyük tepki topladı. Fakat mahkeme polisi suçlu bulmadı. Dava günümüzde hala devam ediyor. Bir videomuzun daha sonuna geldik. Daha fazla böyle videolar için abone olmayı ve videoyu beğenmeyi unutmayın. Ayrıca görüş, önerilerinizi ve video hakkında yorumlarınızı bekliyorum. Bir sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere.